Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. Today, permit me to walk you down through the process of this particular airdrop. This airdrop is called Firachian Airdrop. It's so easy to register and start mining. So this is how you go about it. You enter your email and click on get activation code. When you click on get activation code, you wait for them to send you code on your email. So you move to your email. When you get to your email, you search for it. Here it is. You click on verify email. When you click on verify email, it will take you back to here. Then you come back. When you are back, you submit your wallet. You submit any of your Web3 wallets, either your OKX wallet or your MetaMask wallet. Me, I think I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet, my Rabi wallet. Or let me just use my OKX wallet. Okay. Here it is. Then you submit. When you submit, you can see that we are done. This is very easy, one of the easiest airdrop that you can do. One of the easiest, no stress, nothing. When you are done with this, then you wait and see what they have for us. If today is your first time of coming across my video and you like videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share for others to see. Click on notification button to know when I drop a new video. Please, I'm pleading with you. If you're interested in anything airdrop and hair, very soon I'll start my hair treatments and hair growth videos. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate. God bless you.